What do the doggies want, Scout?
Dinner.
I thought you were bad.
I am.
Well, why do the doggies want bad food?
Evening, Your Worship. Fancy running into you down here.
The pleasure is all mine. Now, there will be something to amuse me while I await Snow White.
Boy.